Today I'm working in the 2012 Dodge Ram, and we're going to be removing this aftermarket radio so that I can plug in a reverse camera. So to start off, you have 2 screws. Oh man. 2 Torx right there. There's a screw back here. There's a screw under here as well. Okay, so 2, 1, 2, and then we'll get to the center console later. All right. Okay, so behind this outlet, like I said before, there's another screw. There you go. That's a Torx. Okay, so just one right there. We'll remove that and then we'll come back. So now we have the chrome piece removed. I will just find a corner and just slowly raise it up all the way around, remove it. Be careful because this plastic is old and it can be brittle. So we have another Torx right there. By the way, these are Torx 20s. These are T20. Okay. Well, by the way, these are Torx 20 or T20s. So go ahead and remove that. Correction, you don't have to remove that. All you need to do is then remove the center console piece. Remove that. You gotta lift the armrest up to remove it because it comes back in that area. So lift your armrest up, remove the center piece, and then just on the side, you can go ahead and carefully remove this. So you're gonna have to also remove, after you remove it, you may need to unplug your HVAC electrical connections down there. Okay.